Hi everyone, my name is Joshua and today I'll be doing an unboxing video of my new Gitzo tripod, the GT3543XLS. So I just received the package from Cathay Photo, so I'll show you the Cathay Photo sticker over here. I'll put a picture up to show it in a closer up photo later. So without further ado, let's begin opening. I've actually been wanting to get a Gitzo tripod for a long time because I currently only have a travel tripod which is quite light and it's not as stable as I want it to be. So I thought I would need to get a Gitzo tripod. Not Gitzo tripod technically, but a more stable full-size tripod. If I show you, let me take a photo of this. Yep, okay. So yeah, the reason why I chose this model out of all the other models that Gitzo offers is that I wanted a tripod that has height, something that is above my height. Actually, I know most people would recommend getting a tripod that is at your eye level, but to me it doesn't make sense because if I get a tripod at my eye level, I wouldn't be able to shoot from a higher angle, a top angle, as compared to a tripod that is taller than I am. So if I get a tripod that is higher, I can actually shoot at heights above my eye level, or at the same time I can lower the tripod whenever I want down to my eye level. So I get a flexibility of shooting above my eye level, at my eye level, and below eye level at the same time. So why would I want to limit myself to just eye level and below eye level? Okay, so as you can see over here, framed on Gitzo. I actually went to Cathay Photo last week or 2 weeks ago to get a look at this tripod because I feel that it's important to see the tripod in person to be able to understand my needs better. Let's put this down. So you can see over here, Gitzo with the model number, the 3543XLS. So what the model stands for is G, the GT3543XLS. G stands for Gitzo, T stands for tripod. Then the number is 3 is the series 3, followed by 5 which stands for carbon fiber, 4 stands for 4 sections, and then 3 stands for the version. So this should be the 4th version of the tripod if I'm not wrong, because it starts from 0, then 0, 1, 2, 3. So this is actually the 4th version. Then XLS stands for extra long. Okay. So there is a genuine product sticker over here. Just gonna scan it. Okay. Now let's unbox the tripod. Okay, open up. Okay, that's the base of the tripod. Inside the box, nothing. That's empty box. You can see it. Yeah, it's empty. Okay, so they have a piece of cardboard for the top and for the bottom. Okay, so okay. Oh, I didn't see this come out. Okay, but yeah, paperwork plus the tripod legs that they provided. with a few Allen keys, some springs. Not too sure on what the springs are, but I'll find out later when I read up more about it. So I'll open up and feels so good. Oh my god, it's built like a tank. It feels very sturdy. Oh my god. Yeah, so 4 sections. So 1, 2, 3, and then 4. So the key feature about this tripod is that it extends up to 2 meters long, so way above my height. And the cons about this is that it's quite big, so a bit challenging to carry around. So this is the Systematic series, so there is no center column. However, I'm planning to buy a center column next time, because I feel that a center column will be able to help me adjust the height of the tripod much faster in an event where I'm having a shoot and I need to adjust in a fast-paced situation. So I can extend. The key feature will be it's able to extend flat as well. I just need to pull up this tab and then I can extend, and it clicks in place on its own. So this is how low it can go for a Gitzo tripod. Why I'm doing this product review is because I've been trying to watch YouTube videos to find out more about this product, but there hasn't been much videos done on it. So I thought maybe why not? I could just do it since I'm getting it, right? And maybe some of you who might be watching this video are interested to get the same tripod as well. So I thought might as well just show you what it's like. Okay, let me figure out how to collapse it. Okay, maybe I just need to... okay, I just need to twist. There was no need to pull the tab. Okay, and then in the next clip I'll show y'all what it looks like when it's fully extended. Okay, so now I've fully extended my tripod and you can see how tall it is. I'm about 1.7 meters tall, and this is like 2 meters tall, which is insanely high. So yeah, like I mentioned earlier, I felt that it's good to have more height rather than at my eye level, so that I'm not limiting myself in terms of height. If I want higher, and let's say I'm shooting in a studio, I'll be able to just stand up on a step ladder, put my camera up, and I can shoot at a top-down angle. That gives me the flexibility of having a top-down shot, an eye-level shot, and a bottom shot. I'll be able to attach the center column over here. So there is actually this latch. Let me show you. Yeah, so there is this latch over here that actually helps to loosen up this portion over here, and then I can take out this centerpiece and replace it with a center column. Yeah. Okay. Yes. This is my first time doing a product review video, so not exactly the best reviewer, but I hope this video helps you in looking at which Gitzo tripod is the right one for you. Yeah, if you're interested in this model, I think it's pretty good. I actually looked at it at the shop, so I looked at all the different Gitzo models at Cathay Photo, and it made me realize that this is actually something that will suit my needs, because I want something sturdy, something that is a bit more of an overkill for my camera setup. So I'm a person that likes to play it safe rather than risk having it just nice. So having it more sturdy and able to handle anything that I put at it, that's something that I would want in a tripod. And also, stability is pretty important to me in the sense where sometimes center columns can make my things quite shaky, so I also wanted the flexibility of having no center column and having a center column. That is why I chose the Systematic series. So all in all, this was something that was perfect for me. And after a shot that I did, interior design shoot that I did, right, it made me realize that my travel tripod wasn't enough, because it was actually quite unstable. It kept wobbling, and that was when it hit me that I needed a much better tripod. So yeah, as most people say, once they got their Gitzo tripod, once you get this, you never have to get any other tripod. I hope that holds true for me, and I know I'll take take good care of my tripod well. And yeah, hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching. If you have any questions you would like to ask about the tripod, I can try to answer to the best of my abilities. But yeah, most of the details are actually reported on the Gitzo website, or also on Cathay Photo's website if you're buying from Singapore. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.